Okay, this is question 3 from paper 2 for Edexcel, and this is 2023. Oops, that's question 2 still. Question 3, here we go. So it says, given that log to the base 2 of x add 3 add log to the base 2 of x add 10 is equal to 2 add 2 log to the base 2 of x, show that 3x squared minus 13x minus 30 equals 0. Okay, so let's have a look. So first of all, we're going to use our laws of logs. And using our laws of logs, whenever we have an addition, it turns into a product. So that's our first thing. Then the next thing is I've subtracted, what am I going to do? Subtract log to the base 2 of x squared off both sides. Okay, and now we've got a subtraction, so that's going to become a quotient. So that's going to go divided by the x squared. And I've expanded the x add 3 times x add 10 as well, to give me x squared add 10x add 3x add 30, and then you collect like terms, and we've got log to the base 2 of this expression now. Now at this stage, the next thing we're going to do now is reverse the logs. Okay, so let's now reverse the logs. So that means that we now write that 2 squared is equal to this expression. Okay, so 2 squared is 4, and then I'm going to times both sides by the x squared to give me x squared plus 13x plus 30 is equal to 4x, and then finally get the whole thing over to the right hand side, and that gives us our 3x squared minus 13x minus 30 equals 0 as required. So that's our part A done. Now part B, write down the roots of the equation. So there's only 1 mark for this. I think it is perfectly legitimate just to put that into your calculator to get your roots. It does factorize, and you could do it by factorizing, but it's only 1 mark, and it's a B mark, which means it's unconditional. So it's perfectly fine just to use your calculator in this case to find out those roots. So the apparent roots are 6 and x equals minus 5 over 3. Now it says, hence state which of the roots from B part 1 is not a solution and give a reason for your answer. So it's going to be this negative value of x, and the reason is because basically a logarithm graph is not defined for negative values of x, because a log graph looks like this. It's only defined for positive values of x. So that's the reason why. Okay, I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.